Hi, I'm here to help you in case you're having issues with your Mac install. If you've tried to download a lab, and for example, you clicked download and it went all the way through the download process and then reset to download instead of saying open, it means your program isn't being able to find where the installer is hiding. So to solve this, you want to find where that installer is. So to do that, you're going to click on your desktop, bring up a Finder window, and then click on Go. You'll click on Home. Now, there are some hidden folders here that you need to reveal. So to do that, you're going to click Command-Shift-period. So you end up with this folder called Library. If for some reason your computer isn't doing that with Command-Shift-period, there's another way you can get it by clicking on Go and doing Go to Folder at the very bottom. And in this area, you want to type in this code. So go ahead and pause the video and type this into that Go to Folder area. I'll show you how to get there if you don't do it that way. So if you have the hidden folders revealed, you double click on your library, application support, and now we're looking for this Beyond Labs Cloud Client, the public folder, the install folder, and that's where your installers are hidden. So then you're just going to double click on whichever one you needed and didn't download properly. Now, you can launch it directly from there, but then it won't activate with your license. So you need to open back up an Applications window and click on this icon, drag it into Applications, just like that, and then it'll show up at the bottom. Sorry about that, I already had one in there. It'll show up down at the bottom, it'll show that you've got it installed. Now when you go into Beyond Labs, it'll say Open, and then after you've activated your license, when you enter the lab, you want to enter through this open area. Instead of directly going in by double-clicking on Virtual Chem Lab here, you want to always enter through the Beyond Labs icon. That way it'll make sure that your license always applies to that product and you can open it smoothly. Hope that helps.